Well, good Tuesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Don't mind the noise. Lord of mercy, I hope everybody's having a wonderful Tuesday. My other brother from the West Bank mother came over, and you know what? I'll show you what we finna do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We finna boil some crawfish, y'all. So give me a second, I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride. All right, here we go, finna get started. My other brother, Chris B. Ooh, make it happen. Oh, Lord have mercy. Ooh-wee. Using Pro Bowl, by the way. You think?
What to do the first? You want to do it all at once?
How many bowls you want to do? Oh, well.
One.
Oh, man, dump it. Yeah. Getting that water ready. Tell it, Chris. All right, we finna put some taters and whatnot. I'm working the camera, actually. I can't get close to this fire. Hold on, dog. I get it for you. We're gonna drop some oranges, lemon. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be right.
Leave the sticker on there.
There it is. So we just put in some taters, lemons, oranges, and some garlic, and we're gonna let that go. So we're gonna let it go, and then I'll bring you back.
This kid, huh?
Alright. Oh yeah, baby. All right, y'all. We just added the crawfish into the pot. This pot will hold about 100, maybe 100 pounds of crawfish. So we're gonna let it come up to a boil. We're gonna shut it off, and we're gonna let these crawfish steep probably for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then I'll get that hose and I'll cool that pot off, just so those crawfish and everything else in there can actually suck up that seasoning. So give me a second and we'll jump into that.
To all the ladies in the place, freestyle and praise, allow me to place these different traditions in the bushes. Who drop rooms and make moves with all the mom. The back of the club, sipping for it is where you come. The back of the club, macking holes, my team's behind. Bad question asking, blood passing, music lasting.
What about it, dog?
I just can't quit because one of these homies did you got to creep with.
One of them potatoes,
To force my brain, set out.
You know that's how we do.
Kids in the white, like the hard times was there.
Good?
I think they're gonna be good. They taste clean.
See my baby. See my baby. Got a girl from the south side.
Got your rag.
Yeah, I need to get one. I got one. That's something.
Dang.
Hot.
Damn, bro.
Probably gonna need another towel. Hold it. Grab that bottom. Red. Let them bitches suck. Let them jokers soak. Woo! Mark Bracy, you need to be here, brother. Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Potatoes got that seasoning.
Woo! More. Woo! They're good, y'all. All right, you and y'all. There you have it. We both some crawfish today. It's a good day. I'm showing up. Brother come down, we're good to go. If you like the video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, looks like it's finna rain. Just come over here and see what I'm doing, because I'm like always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's come. Dan sure enough gonna say it. Ooh, my lips are burning too. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody. You get your shine on, especially when you're eating some crawfish. And we will see, I have some in my teeth. We will see you and y'all in the next video.